everyone. My name is Arnold Lowenstein with North American Power Savers. We're here in my home in Hayward, California to demonstrate to you an exciting new product. What this product can do for you is save you up to 10% or more on average on your energy bill every month. The product is called Mega Power Saver / EMI Filter. And over the course of the next few minutes, I'm going to be doing a demonstration showing how the product works and what it can do for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the demonstration. First off, what I'd like to show you is our electrical demonstration board, which is a representation of any average electrical system of any home. What we have is we have our power coming in, which would represent the service right here. And then we're coming through a junction box here where I've clearly indicated where we're registering our voltage reading with the probes right here, which go to this test gauge meter right there. And then also our amp readings with these two probes here, which go to the meter over here. As you can see right now, our board is powered up with 124 volts, and at this time there is no reading of amperage at all because we have nothing on. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on some lights. Now, as we have these fluorescent lights charging up and turning on, the amperage is starting to rise, and it'll go about as high as about 1 amp once these lights are completely powered up, which will happen in a few seconds here. Now, what we're going to do next, and the most important thing is the demonstration of this device, is what this device helps is with any inductive load. An inductive load would be a motor or anything that creates a magnetic field, such as a power supply for your computers, your TV sets have transformers in them, your refrigerator, your dishwasher, your washing machine, your dryer, the blower motor for your heating system, your air conditioning compressor. All these devices are inductive loads, and every one of them, this particular device will help correct. Some of the devices run 24/7, such as your power supplies and TVs in their standby mode. So what we're going to do right now for this demonstration is we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn on the inductive load, which is represented by the 1/2 horsepower motor, which is a garbage disposal in this particular case, and to keep an eye on the amp meter here. And as I turn on the device, as you saw, the amps jumped up to about 17 amps, spiked up, and then drop back down to 5. This device will also help capture these voltage spikes that happen anytime you turn on any particular device in the home, including your lighting. Captures that wasted voltage and releases it back in the system. So there's many different aspects of the device that will help you save that 10% or more on average every month. What we're going to do now is we're going to get the device. This is it right here. This is our Mega Power Saver right here. Mega Power Saver EMI filter. It's a fairly small device, and we're going to plug it in. You plug it into any outlet in the home, such as this one here. Now, once the device is plugged in, you simply flip the switch to turn it on, and watch closely. After I turn on this switch, watch closely on this amp meter. The amperage dropped by almost 2 amps. What that's done is, that's reduced the current considerably. By reducing the current, it's also reducing the heat, which is going to save you money. So this device is going to create dramatic changes on inductive loads such as motors, and more minor changes on your inductive loads like your power supplies and your computers and such, as I had mentioned earlier. This concludes this part of the test. The next test we're going to go to in the next few seconds is going to be the power factor test. With the power factor test, we're going to show you the dramatic change that the Mega Power Saver has on any inductive load such as a motor. First off, we're starting out with a power factor of 1.0. We have nothing on. We go ahead and we turn on our motor, keeping an eye on the meter here. Power factor drops to, levels off right about 0.35. Now we turn on the Mega Power Saver / EMI filter, turn that on, and look at that power factor change. It almost doubles the power factor, which is a very dramatic change. And as I stated before, you're going to have dramatic changes and you're going to have minimal changes. But at the end of the month, a guaranteed 10% or more off your energy bill. The next test we're going to do is we're going to show you the EMI filter portion of this device, which you'll find quite interesting. In every home that has electrical wiring, which we all do, there's always electromagnetic radiation in every room, in every part of the house. The EMI filter in this unit makes a dramatic change in that electromagnetic radiation and lowers it to levels that are much safer than they would be without it. We know through research that levels that are below 100 milligauss are safe. Levels above 100 milligauss are not as safe, which makes sense. So we're going to show you right now in this room, we're showing about 550 milligauss. We're going to turn on the EMI filter and watch this meter closely. As you can see, there was a dramatic drop in the electromagnetic radiation by turning on that EMI filter. So another very, very important benefit of this product is that particular aspect of it. This concludes our demonstration, and if you have any more questions that you would have, or any questions that you need answered, you can simply go on our site, www.northamericanpowersavers.com, and if you have a question regarding the energy test report, the power as far as the power factor goes, just go to the products tab and go down to the bottom. There's the energy test section, and you can actually print off a PDF form of the power factor fact sheet, which I have a copy of right here. And reading through it, it'll explain a lot of what I was talking about during this demonstration and answer even more questions. I'm not going to get into detail with this because I don't want to get too long-winded. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Please get back to whoever gave you the information to get to this particular video or website, and hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.